Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nurls. Welcome back. I am back with another crochet video. If you guys are not new here, you know last video I had a crochet hairstyle that I did and I wasn't feeling it. Not because of the hair, because I love that hair. It's the way that I did my braid down. So as you can see here, I tried to do a different type of braid down so then I could have the front hairline not to be, I don't know what I was trying to do, but it's really protecting my edges. So we decided to go back to our old faithful original crochet before we got all the fancy crochet hair, even though we love those fancy crochet hair. So I went back to the beauty supply store and got my AFRI Naptural. It's really called AFRI Naptural crochet style hair. It's the Caribbean brand, and this curl pattern is the halo curl. This hair comes in 8 inches and I used two colors. I used the T1B27. I had 2 packs of that, and then T1B30. I had 1 pack. It took 2.5 packs to get this style. And this hair, first of all, I do love this curl. I think this is one of my all-time favorite curl patterns. And so we're going to go with the pros of the hair. The pros of the hair, it's a quick install. It took me 2.5 hours to install this hair, and it's only because I was recording. I think if I wasn't recording, I probably could have been done in an hour and a half, which normally I tell you guys the truth because I am not a fast braider. I am not a fast hair installer. So when something does not take long, I do share it with you guys. If you saw, well, you just saw now in the back, I didn't separate many of the strands that I used, and I looped it once and I was like, this is not going to work. So I did end up tying it twice. The hair, each pack comes with 3 bundles, as you can see, and I didn't have any particular plan as far as like where I was going to place which color. Right now, you can see that I'm using the T1B27. I think I used all of that in the back. Then I went in with the T1B30, and then I swapped and then did the other pack of the T1B27. I ended up using the entire pack of the T1B30, and then I did 1.5 of the T1B27. I do love this color. I think it's perfect for the summer. This hair, light, quick install. The hair retails $9.99 for each packet. So I got 3 packets and I used 2.5, so $30 and 2.5 hours. I feel like you can't ask for more than that, right? Let's just say if you have an event and you need to put your hair away and you're just like, what am I going to do? Well, you know what? This is not a sponsored video, but you guys are my friends. I want to share with you what's convenient, what's affordable, and what's quick. I actually was happy with the way that I did my braiding pattern. So we're not going to complain about that. Now, the only thing about this hair, I don't think this is the type of hair that you're going to put on and thinking you're going to wear for 5 or 6 weeks. My opinion. You guys might feel different. This is hair I'm thinking maybe 2 weeks. The reason I say that, it's synthetic hair. If you are someone you don't enjoy seeing the frizz, you might not like it. When I separated the hair, it did get a little frizzy, so I use my Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle conditioner thingy. I will link it down below. I get it from Amazon. I will also see if I can find the hair on Amazon, and I can link it as well because maybe it's not available in some of your local beauty supplies. And then I also use the African Braid and Shine spray to keep it moisturized. This hair, because again it's synthetic, it's not a very soft hair, so I feel like these products help maintain some level of moisture. Yeah, so love it. Very light, quick install. Although I feel like I ended up looking like somebody's auntie, but I am some people's auntie, so I guess that's fine. But I do like it, and I will be rocking this for the next maybe 2 weeks. We shall see. Okay, if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So please subscribe, share with your friends, tell them about us over here, join the family. We are on the road to 1,000. We are thriving, because I will not say struggling. We're thriving at 574. The goal is to get to 1,000. So help your girl out. I appreciate all the support and all the love. Please stay tuned. I'm going to stop talking now and I'll just play the music and keep watching so you can see the final results. Thank you so much for watching. I love you for your support and I love you for watching. Again, if you are a brand with hair, reach out to your girl. If you have products, whether it's makeup, your girl loves makeup, whether it's skincare stuff, I also like that as well. Reach out to me. I will be happy to share and do an honest review. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.